Good morning, Bubbly Bears. As we continue to talk about numbers in the teens, take a look right here. It says composing teens numbers. When you compose something, you put it together, boys and girls. And last week, you were working on building it and breaking it apart, which is decomposing. So now we're going to go and work on how we can compose, decompose, break apart, and put our numbers back together in the teens. Remember, the numbers in the teens have a group of tens and some extra ones. You have 10 plus one extra one gives us the number what? 11. 10 with two extra ones, you're going to have to draw them there. What number will that give us? 12. 10 with the number 3, 1, 2, 3, with extra ones, and that gives us 13. Boys and girls, we have been zooming in on our numbers in the teens for the past month. Now, I pray that you have a deeper understanding. We'll go back to the numbers in the teens, but after this week, we're going to be moving on, talking about comparing numbers, and I'm getting ready to show you a quick video with that also. But take a look right here. This is what it should look like when you're done, okay? One thing that Mrs. Brown should have done, and I'm going to do it now, for 12. 12 should have two dots, 1, 2, okay? 13, 1, 2, 3. That's the number. 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, a group of 10 and extra ones are how we build and break apart our numbers in the teens. Okay, let's keep trekking along. You also have to be able to count and identify your numbers also. Remember, when we're counting, we use our magical pointer finger. This finger right here. Can you see it? There it is. You see my pointer finger? All right. So the chick picks. Those chicks have laid eggs and they need help. You see the numbers are down here in order. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But they will not be in order when you start counting them. So let's count the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you're going to color these numbers at the bottom, locate that number 13, and when you finish, your activity should look like this. Match the number of eggs to the right team number. Okay? Make sure you double count. That's what mathematicians do. All right, boys and girls, you have a couple more activities that you'll do with numbers in the teens. But now we're going to turn and focus on alligator, alligator. Which one will you eat? The bigger one, the greater one. It will be sweet. Alligator, alligator. Which one will you eat? The bigger one, the greater one. It will be sweet. Boys and girls, these are signs that we're going to be using. Say greater than. Say less than. Say greater than. Say equal to. Say less than. You know we've been doing daily news, and I'll ask you which number is greater, 8 or 6. It's the same thing. This is what we're going to be talking about, okay? All right, let's keep going. The alligator wants to eat the greater number because he's what? He's greedy. That's exactly right. That's the greater than sign, okay? This is the less than sign. When you see this sign, it means that this number is less than the one that you're comparing it to, okay? Now, let me show you. It says, trying to get it off that glare. Greater than. The alligator always wants to chomp on the greater number. Okay, that's greater than, that's less than. Let's take a look. Here we go, right here. It says 8 is greater than 2. 8 is greater than 2, so the alligator wants to eat the number 8. The alligator wants to always chop or eat the larger number, the greater amount. Right here, 3 is less than 7, and this is how you can tell because the alligator turned his back to the lower number. And that's when we say less than. So we read 3 is less than 7. 8 is greater than 2. Again, let's go back and look at the signs. We have greater than, equal to, and less than when the numbers are the same. Now let's do a couple of them this morning. Let's see what we can do this morning. All right, so if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bears right there. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boys and girls, we read from left to right, so this is how it would go. We have the number 6 and we have the number 9. Which number is greater? Is it 6 or is it 9? Okay, it is 9. So it will look like this. This is how it will look. And this is how we would read. 6 is less than 9. You try it. 6 is less than 9. All right, let's do a couple more. Let's do a couple more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have the number 1 here. Clearly, which number is greater? Which number is greater? Which number does Mr. Alligator wants to eat? He wants to eat the number that's greater because he's greedy, and this is what it would look like. And this is how we would read. We would read 4 is greater than 1. Okay? Everybody got that? Now, if the numbers are the same, if I have 2 here and I have 2 here, they are what? They are equal. That's exactly right. That's when you use this sign right here in the middle. Hold on for just a second. This is when you use that equal sign because Mr. Alligator wants the numbers that is greater. Well, they are the same. So what do you think he's going to do, boys and girls? He's probably going to eat both sets. Good job. This is when you see equal, okay? 2 equals 2. Now, we can also do this without drawings. We can do it with just numbers. 10, 3. Which number is greater? 10. So this is what it looks like. 10 is greater than 3. Everybody see that? Let's do a couple more. Here we go. 6. And let's do another number with that. Here we go. And then we have 5. So which number is greater, 5 or 6? Would you rather have 5 cookies or 6 cookies? I'm sure you said 6. So this one would read 5 is less than 6. 5 is less than 6. And boys and girls, we're going to be talking about that. You're going to get to draw the mouths of the alligators. And remember, Mr. Alligator, which one would you eat? The greater one, the greater one. It will be sweet.